In tech, the only constant is chaos, and speed is survival. But speed without alignment, that's failure at scale. So, you don't just need velocity. You need clarity, trust, and resilience across your entire team. I went from the streets of Kingston, Jamaica, to the Royal Military Academy Sandhurst in England, to the Olympic Games. 3 times. I know how to execute under pressure. Tech leaders bring me in to help their teams crush tech debt, build cohesion, and lead boldly through change. Because when your team pushes together, you ship faster, you pivot sharper, and you win bigger.